Hello dear fans. What is anatomy? The term anatomy is derived from the Greek word for dissection. Today this is the name of the science that studies the shape and structure of organs, systems of the body and the body as a whole. Instructions. Step 1. Depending on what kind of organism is being studied, this science is divided into anatomy of animals, including humans, anthropotomy, and plants, phytotomy. Often this term is used precisely in relation to a person, that is, the words anatomy and anthropotomy are identified. Step 2. If initially the goal of science was to obtain information and describe the organism, then later scientists began to investigate the causes of the processes and their relationship. Currently, human anatomy is a part of animal morphology, and the results of research within its framework are intended to provide information about general biological laws. Step 3. The first and main method of obtaining information was dissection, that is, preparation. Then X-ray, morphometry, histological and biochemical analyses, etc., were added to it. Step 4. Within a single science, human anatomy breaks down into separate branches. Systematic, or descriptive, examines the individual constituent parts of the body in their healthy state. It includes 8 disciplines. Within the framework of splanchnology, the organs of the digestive, genitourinary, and respiratory systems are examined. Syndesmology is aimed at studying the types of communication between parts of the skeleton. Neurology deals with the nervous systems, central and peripheral. Aesthesiology is the study of the sense organs, myology is about muscles, osteology is about bones, angiology is about the circulatory and lymphatic systems. The endocrine system is also considered separately. Step 5. The next branch of anatomy is topographic. It is aimed at studying the shape of organs, their location in the body, and the relationship with the nervous and circulatory systems. Functional anatomy is devoted to the study of the relationship between the structure of organs and their functioning. The objects of research within the pathological branch of science are organs and tissues that change due to pathologies. Plastic anatomy deals with the features of the external shape of the body, while comparative anatomy examines organisms in the process of evolution. Thanks for watching.